This is a look at what's in the box of Teotihuacan, City of the Gods. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. It's the spiritual successor to Tzolkin. And let's take a look. So we have some impressive production value in here in terms of wood. Some really nice wooden tiles. I would say maybe these things aren't as nice, the small circles and stuff. We have a bunch of dice, which are pretty cheap. They should have maybe gone with some maybe etched dice or something, maybe to theme it up a bit. I don't think the cost for that's very high. Looks like a decent manual. And then we have a ton of punch boards. So let's take a look at those. So we have, looks like some sort of player board or something. And tokens for various things. I haven't played the game yet, so don't know exactly what all these things mean. That's interesting. I guess it's a promo for Dice Settlers to try to get you to buy that game, which didn't do so hot, I don't think. It did look good, but I don't think it did so well after. So there's the board. I'm not going to unfold it because you're not going to be able to see the whole thing, but you can see the art style. It looks good. So there you have it. That is what's in the box of Teotihuacan, City of the Gods, or City of Gods. If you enjoyed this video, please like, please subscribe, take a look at our other videos. Thank you.